Hey, Gabe is here to get my water softener installed this evening, and he's right on time, and he got the job done. He did like extra thing as well to make it work. So yeah, I'm happy. I had to turn off the shut-off valve so that way I can start working. So you're not going to have water in the rest of the house. I show you, as you can see here, no leaks. Everything is perfect. Same thing here. As you can see, it's working. We hear it. The water is coming out. So here is good. Here this connection is good as well. I mean, if you want, again, you're next to me. You can put your finger. Your witness that everything is good, so we don't have water here. Same thing here.
What if water leaks after 1 week or 10 days?
It will not. If it doesn't leak now, it will not leak in a year, no even never. So as you can see, no leaks here.
Okay.
So these are all my connections. So from here to here, but these are all the connections.